Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. The name is Bismarck or Biswab for short. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to import an image or a new picture into Adobe Photoshop. In my previous video, I taught you guys how to create a new document or how to create a new file in Photoshop. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go back and watch it. You know, this is a full online class. I'll be teaching you from scratch. I'll be teaching you everything from the beginning. So by the end of this class, you'll be able to use Photoshop to design or to create anything that you want. If you are really serious, if you really want to learn Photoshop from the beginning, from the scratch to the end, make sure you watch all my videos. Make sure you follow, you like, you subscribe, then you hit the notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. All right, so when you open Photoshop, you get something like this. And as I said earlier on, I taught you guys how to create a new page or a new document. So this is the new page. Now let's go and import our picture. So we go to file, then we go to open. This time we go to open, not new. So you get this folder, then you search for your picture. So I'll go to my desktop. Okay, I'll click on the desktop. If you have the picture in the document folder, you go to my document, then you search for your picture. If you have the picture if you have the picture in a folder, you click that particular folder, or you select that particular folder, then you click on it. So let me go to my desktop, and all right, I'll select this picture. This is actually a picture of Satori. You know, he's my favorite artist. So let me select this picture and click on open. Now, I told you guys in my previous video that anytime you upload a new document or a new layer or a new picture into Photoshop, that layer or that picture is locked. You can't do anything on that picture. So when you come over to this side, you see that there's a lock on this picture unless you unlock it. So if you haven't watched my previous video or the first video I did, you go back and watch. You will know how to unlock the picture. So let's go ahead and unlock this picture, then we take it from there. So you double click on this empty space right here. All right, then you give this picture a name. So this is Satori, so I'll just type in Satori. All right, you click on OK, and the lock is gone. Now you can do anything, or you can do whatever you want with this picture because there is no lock on it. The mistake most designers do is that they don't check for the image quality anytime they upload the picture into Photoshop. Rule number one, always make sure you download high quality pictures from the internet for your design or for your project. It's very important. Anytime you want to create something with Photoshop, you have to download high quality pictures. Don't just use any low quality pictures for your project or for your design, because at the end of your design or your picture or whatever, you get a poor quality or a poor image. So always make sure you download high quality pictures from the internet. And rule number two, always make sure you check for the image resolution of that picture before you proceed with your design or your project or whatever. Now, I'm going to teach you guys how to check for the image quality of any picture that you upload into Photoshop. Okay, I said it in my previous video that the standard resolution size for Photoshop is 300. If you could, or if you've watched my previous video, I said it. So let's go and check if this picture has that image resolution of what? 300. So we'll go to image, then image size. Okay, so over here you check for the what? Image resolution. So you see that the image size is what? 72, or the resolution of this image is what? 72. So it's below 300. So as you can see over here, the resolution for this picture is what? 72, and the standard resolution size for Photoshop is 300. So you change this 72 to 300. Okay, then so you always have to select the preserve details. I'll come to it in my subsequent videos. All right, so you select what preserve details to what to preserve the details of what of this picture. After checking your image resolution, that is 300, then you click on OK. So the image or the quality or the resolution of this picture will be what will be increased to what 300. And now your picture or your image is ready. You can do whatever you want with this picture. So always make sure you download high quality pictures from the internet if you want to create or if you want to design something. And after importing the picture, you check for the image resolution because it's very important if you want to get a nice, beautiful design. In my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to zoom in and zoom out using the keyboard and the mouse and the scroll wheel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure and you hit the notification button as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions down in the comment box and I'll get right to it. And I will leave a link to my previous video in the description so you can click on it, then you can go back to my first video, then watch it. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.